Hello, my name is Clever Kambembe, scripture, and I'm playing the role or the character of Ba Zulu, the main character. I'm based in Ndola, Monkulungwe, Masaiti district. We are very happy that we are doing this project. I have a child, and the name of the child is Keleshi, and my wife Vivian, and also my mother Ba Zulu.
Imwe huyu muntu huyu mwana wa nduyu alifumine mu blood ya ndafu ampuka pa mwana wa nduyu nkuntu bamufye kwa bulai no kwishiba
arabira tutare ikara pona papa
ndera ndatishire ikara papa no ndeya ndi akwa rumibanzi.
Also date ndube ko muntu ndikwete girlfriend wandi Jacinta nangwala ngumfisha bwino, you know, it is a good thing ukupata ko girlfriend umala lume. In this movie we are educating people vonkalila olo if ya kuikala pa mayanda yabo, not if ya kushupana but kuikala omutende. Sometimes kulaba ma issues hapo na mayanda kuntu mwasova by just watching Ba Zulu ba Diamond TV bakule chita showcase ka program ka Ba Zulu mwanepe nkapala mwakule sambili live psene kulusaka kukitwe kurwansha kumansa kundola konse muletamba Ba Zulu panangwa pa Diamond TV.
Yo tobwini patri ku bedroom ko
nakai no wonder novela Venus novela mungati kuli chintu chamya chakufanya
bobo kuno ku bedroom oro kuli champion ta kuli hapa kashibandi ku bampianturula.
Ba Zulu premieres today, Monday the 5th of May at 18 hours, so tune in only on Diamond TV.